Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an amazing 4-bedroom detached property. This is Avondale from David Wilson Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Penning Ridge, Barnsley. It's a quiet area, but you get everything around. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living, study, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a spacious and lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your first floor, kitchen, dining and the living room. So exploring the kitchen and dining which are coming towards the front. Well, this is an open plan kitchen with the dining space. Towards one side you have the kitchen space and towards the other side you can plan your dining table. You also get an extended bay window towards the dining space, so plenty of natural light falling in. They also gave a partition between the kitchen and the dining space. Now moving towards the kitchen space. A very comfortable kitchen space wherein you have the worktop spread out on all two different sides with various cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. You have the space for your dishwasher here, and in this particular model they provided the electric hob. If you want to go for the gas, you can go for the gas. So you're getting your oven towards this side. You also have the garden access through these wide French doors, and you'll get a decent garden with fence around it. And through this kitchen space you also have access towards the utility which is coming behind. Again, the space in the utility is quite okay. You have the worktop spread out on all 3 different sides. The boiler is coming here in the utility. They also gave a nice window in the utility, so there's decent light and ventilation. You can also plan your washing machine and dryer here in this utility. And in the kitchen towards the opposite side you are getting your fridge and freezer here. If you want, you can also plan a double door fridge freezer. There's enough space to plan one. So this was the kitchen with the dining space. Now moving towards the living room. So this is the living room. The space looks quite okay. It's given in length. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set. You're getting 2 windows on 2 different sides, and apart from that you also have access through the French doors towards the garden. So you have access from the living room and also through the kitchen, which is really a good thing. The interiors done in this property are really pretty. I love the beige and brown combination. They go really well. Overall, a beautiful living room with really good space. Now moving towards the study which is coming beside it. As you enter the house, this will be towards your right side in the front. The space in the study looks okay. You can use it as your workspace, study or a visitor's room, anything you want to. You're still getting a nice window, so there's really good natural light falling in this study space. And just beside the study you also have the washroom in the ground floor. Again, it's a decent washroom. You have the water closet, sink and there's a window. And beside the washroom you also get some extra storage space. They have provided a door and lock. You're getting the mains of the house in this storage space. So we covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. So on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So exploring the master bedroom of the house. This is a double bedroom and you can easily plan a king size bed like this, and you get decent room space to walk around. You're getting 2 beautiful windows on both the sides, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. And also the design of these windows, everything looks very pretty. You have this attached bath coming towards the front. Now let's check out the ensuite. The space in the bathroom looks quite okay. You have the water closet, sink and the walk-in shower. You're also getting a nice window, so the ventilation is really good. So the space beside the bathroom is used to create the wardrobes, which is not a bad idea. So as you enter the room, you'll have your wardrobes towards the front, and you're still getting decent space to go through the room. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house, which is just beside the master bedroom. Again, this is a double bedroom. You can easily plan a double bed like this and you get decent space to walk around. You're still getting 2 windows in this bedroom, so plenty of natural light falling in here. This bedroom looks quite wide and big, and you can plan your wardrobes towards this side. So this was the second bedroom. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. Just opposite to this you have the third bedroom. Even this is a double bedroom, but it's slightly smaller than the second one. You can still plan a double bed like this, and there's decent room space to walk around. You're getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling even in this room. You can use it as your kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. You can also plan the wardrobes like this in this bedroom. So beside the third bedroom, you're getting the common family bathroom. The space in the bathroom is really good. They have given both the walk-in shower and bathtub. And you're also getting the sink, water closet. There's a nice window in this bathroom as well. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. So even the fourth bedroom is a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this and you get decent space to walk around. So all the 4 bedrooms are double bedrooms, but this is slightly smaller than the previous ones. You're still getting a nice window even in this bedroom, so the ventilation is good. You can plan your wardrobe like this in this bedroom, and they managed to give 2 windows even in this bedroom. Towards this opposite side, you also have some extra storage space. They've provided a door and lock. So this was the 4th bedroom of the house. Now just as you come out of this bedroom, towards your left side you have another storage space, and they have given the water heater in this. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with good price. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.